Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Ermi Arong, 33 years old from the Philippines. I am high school graduate and also I am married for 15 years and I have 3 kids, all boys. In 2017 to 2019, I have worked here in the Philippines. I am assistant cook of Our Lady of Guadalupe for 2 years. And also, on January 2021 to 2024, I became a housemaid for 2 years and 6 months. I have 2 work experience in here, the Philippines. My work on Our Lady of Guadalupe is to assist the chief cook to preparation food and plating and maintain a cleanliness and organized kitchen, wash dishes, utensils and equipment. My second work before in the Philippines as a helper for almost 2 years and 6 months from January 2021 to 2024. I serve 4 members of the family and children, 6 years old boys and 2 years old girl. My duties are take care of children, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, wash dishes, basic cooking, the food and marketing. I'm hard-working person, flexible, just worthy, kind, patient. To my future employer, I promise to you I will do my multitasking job to perform to my duties and responsibility, and also I promise to stay on your family as long as you need me, and I am a good woman and honest person. Thank you and God bless.